Is that all we need to do is just buy EDR? Well, the answer really is no. While these technologies, are very powerful and very capable, what comes along with that capability is sophistication. And yes, out of the box, you're going to get more with an EDR than you would get with legacy antivirus solution. However, these solutions can be customized and tailored and often need to be to see their full benefit. Also, an EDR is designed to give you visibility, deep visibility into endpoints and what's occurring within those endpoints. And to understand that visibility requires people who have expertise in actually understanding that data set, how to look at process activity on an endpoint and determine, is this benign, or is it actually suspicious, or is it malicious? That's why often for EDR, if you want to get the best benefit, you want somebody, I think, really, especially if you're an SMB, who's managing it for you, making sure it is optimally configured, well-tuned, stays current, and there's people who can actually look at the data an EDR generates in support of threat investigation as well as threat hunting.